and I'm here to teach you and show you exactly what I taught you guys yesterday and how it played out today. So, you know, when I came and I told you guys the costly mistake you must not have to do, and I applied the same thing on my strategy, then I'm seeing an improvement. Okay, so this improvement is way too strong that every man and every woman who is trading can benefit. So this morning I wake up, so finding a trade on GBP card, of which I don't know how come I started trading GBP card, but I felt like it's one of my is one of the pairs I like this time. Okay, GBP card. Okay, so for those of you who doesn't know this pair, this is British pound Canadian dollars. Okay, so pardon me. So this British pair Canadian dollar, trust me, I've been searching for sell for for long. Like I've been searching for sell on this pair. So and the first move we missed it actually. So when we go to 4 hours, you see how the trend has been going down. Of which the first position I was supposed to open was from here, then the second one was from here, then the third one this morning I caught from here, and we end up having profits on it. Okay, now there are many things I observe when I want to take a trade, and these are the things. So each trade I'm taking for the day, I first of all make sure that there is liquidity sweep of the day. Then when I find a liquidity sweep, it will be very easy for me to know exactly what to find or what to search for in the market. So as we know, I place a trade here and here, and this is the second one I am on right now, of which I'm out of the trade already. Now, simply because of this same instruction I gave to you guys from my previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, go back and watch it. It will give you more insight about what I'm about to teach you right now. Now, one of the things I say is this: how to avoid this costly mistake. So go back and watch the videos. So here, when we go to 4 hours, which is 4 hours we are on right now, you have to know the direction of the market. What is the market doing, and what are you seeing exactly? Because you have to follow the information the market is providing to you. So if you do not follow this information, you are going to be losing your money in this market, and that is exactly what I did. So when we move down to, okay, well, let's still stay on 4 hours while I show you guys something. So if you look at 4 hours, you see that we have this move that's there from here, and sold from that zone. I mean, bought from that zone and came here, and we put another high, so making it a change of character. Because how come we have a high that never end up continue moving high, but it came down and moved low, then we went high again and put in another low? So at that point, you as a trader, what do you start expecting? Then you expect that probably we'll be having like a long that will give us another short, okay, which is right from here. Okay, so and we continue the trend. So this is exactly what I search for in the market and what I get to see before I can make my own decisions. So when I saw all these things, for me, I knew that okay, this was going to be something that will give me another selling opportunity, of which if I'm not seeing it, I'm not ready to take any decision on my trading setup for the day. So we move down to 15 minutes where I start searching for my entries. Okay, so and this is what 15 minutes looks like. Okay, so here right now is to let you know how structurized the pattern is So you see that here we're able to put in this low that came out and put in high. So definitely we'll be expecting that the market will move in the same direction, right? So after spotting all these zones, then I started spotting up. I started spotting the little zones that I will start taking a little profit from. And remember, I told you guys yesterday from that same video. Anyway, I would not like to say much about it. Just go and watch that same video. So when I got to 15 minutes, I started seeing that there are possibility for me to be adding my trade, why I keep dropping, like why the market keep dropping. So I went back to 1 minute. Remember, I'm a day trader, so I don't want to stay long in the market. So I went back to 1 minute, start searching for what the market is specifically doing. So I found out that there is a liquidity of the day already that was formed from this zone. Okay, that was the liquidity of the day. So for the fact that I've seen the liquidity of the day, I don't care about whatsoever thing the market might be saying anymore. All I want to do is just to place my trade and go with it. So when I came here, let's delete these things. I don't want like too much complicated things. So when I saw this, then I said to myself, okay, we have the liquidity of the day. What am I searching for right now? Is for market to give me a form of sell. So if I'm to fast forward this market to where it is, okay, I was here when the market happened. Then to me, I was not searching for something else. Like I was very cool, calm. I never want anything that will just destroy my psychology, just like I used to say. So first thing first, any zone you want to be taking trade from, make sure that that same zone that the liquidity has formed for the day broke a structure. So this is what will validate the place or the zone you want to trade. If it did not break a structure, don't even dare to start searching for something. Okay, so then I noticed that this zone I'm searching for had a structure that was broken, and this was the structure that was broken from here, and we have this break of structure. Okay, so getting to see all these things, what I did was this: I started searching for what places to search for the supply zone that will cause the market to continue in the same direction. Okay, so number one supply zone I saw was right from here. Okay, that was the supply zone I saw. Then the number two was on top of it. So, and mind you, from this place that I'm seeing the supply zone was a very valid place because we have a imbalance before the zone, and also I was seeing all this liquidity that was meant to be swept. Okay, of which number one liquidity was swept from this zone. It was swept already by this. Okay, so when it was swept, what I did next was this. I'm like, okay, the thing I'm going to be searching next is how the market is going to react when it comes to that zone. Okay, so let's fast forward this market. So when we fast forward this market, then I noticed that this place has been broken, and this zone might be a potential place for us to start searching for sell position that will give us a continuation pattern. So what I did was I waited. Then when I waited, guys, just like I've said to you guys last time, you need to pay attention to the information the market is providing to you. You really need to pay attention. So when I saw this, I said, okay, the market is behaving somehow right now, and I need to pay attention. So I saw this. Okay, it tagged there. Then tagging there, I saw it again coming up. Then I saw that that high did not move. Then we came back and just clicked this high. Okay, so we switched bearish immediately. So when we switched bearish, I knew that it was time for me to start searching for what short position. Why? Because this market that cleared this liquidity from this zone, which was here, okay, which was supposed to be here, cleared the liquidity, came back and grabbed another one here. Then this was the low I was supposed to be paying attention to. Okay, yeah, because for me, what I usually do is this: I want to see 2 times break of structure before I can make a decision on any trade I want to place. So when I saw this, I started paying attention. Then I saw this move. That was a flip. Okay, so we proceed. Then when I started noticing that there was trying to be a violation here for this trade not to move on, then I said, okay, let me wait. So when I saw this aggressive move was when I joined my trade from here, and my stop was something like this. Okay, then for me, I was targeting this low. Okay, so this is why I said your target needs to be realistic. So targeting this low, and this is how the market moved. So this is how I was able to make this profit today, and I'm gonna leave it on the screen here whereby you see what we did today. So, and this was how the trade went perfectly well. The same instructions I gave to you guys last time was the same thing we also applied on this same trade. So if you want to learn more, go back to all my previous videos and watch it, and make sure you click and subscribe, and also leave a comment. If you don't understand anything there, leave a comment. I will come back to make a video about what you don't understand, and make sure you remain blessed. Bye.